Hi, welcome to the second part of the sketch lesson. That was our character already, but I wanted to explain you how we have come to this composition. I've skipped that part because I assumed you wanted the final result. And well, let me explain this then. First, you need to have an idea to reflect on the illustration afterwards. For example, in my case, I think of a middle-aged Victorian woman who loves reading, an intellectual and elegant woman. So I wanted to join the dress and hairstyle tips we've already seen to the reading pose. That would be perfect to represent this love for reading. And at the same time, capture the dress and hairstyle. I'm working with the brush pencil tool in a light gray color. And well, that could be the first concept. The second concept I was thinking of for the sketch was the woman you've previously seen in profile. Reading, but in a better frame. Okay, you cannot settle for the first idea that comes to your mind. Maybe you have more ideas that are great too. So keep your mind open to different ideas. They can end up being the one you choose. You never know. So sketch a couple of ideas and it can boost your creativity and help you creating different situations for the same scene. For example, the first woman was sitting down holding a book. And in this case, you have the woman in profile holding a book. Here we'll get a better view of the dress. And even more of the hairstyle. That's what I want to highlight. So this pose is the best I can choose to reflect the Victorian character. You can also look on the internet. Maybe you can find a model or character being photographed that's better for your reference. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the final lesson. Bye!